This is the Aranet IR Plant Temperature sensor. The sensor uses an infrared thermometer and an adjustable arm for contactless plant leaf temperature measurements. The sensor operates wirelessly and is powered by a single AA battery that lasts up to 10 years. Use this sensor in greenhouses to detect the temperature difference between plant leaves and ambient conditions. Evaluate the dew point temperature on leaves and assess the vapor pressure deficit, a parameter that indicates the impact of humidity on plant growth. Track the environmental impact on plant transpiration rates and identify moments when plants experience increased stress. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet cloud to align with business needs.